Greetings of the day. Today we'll try to learn goto statement. In this session we'll learn how to use goto statement in a C program. So again welcome to the acknowledgement by me, and I would request please subscribe my channel. And now we'll directly jump to the Turbo C compiler and we'll learn the use of goto statement. First of all, I would request you, use of goto statement is not you can say good. It's not advisable, but sure, for the learning purpose, I'm showing it to you. So goto is basically used for unconditional jump. Without any condition, you can go to a certain point, right? But here I have used a condition to call goto statement or to use goto statement. It is similar to the previous examples of break statement, continue statement. In the same process, will use goto. So you can see it here. Goto statement is used to transfer control to a label. So see, this is the way to create a label in C. Simple. You can write any particular text and then put a colon with it, and then it becomes a loop. Sorry, label. So this is called a label, right? So any text or group of characters supported by colon is called label, or it can be used. It is same here. I have taken a variable num, and it is its value is 100 as of now. This is the do loop. If the value of num will reaches to 105, in that case value of num will be added by 1, and this goto statement will be executed, and it will take control to this part of code, that is loop. It says go to loop means control will come from here to here, and for that particular iteration this will not be printed. You can say at this point of time it will give you the output same as continue statement. It will take control from here to here when the value of num is 105. Again 105 will not be printed, and rest you can see in the execution. So Alt F9, Control F9, see it here. 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 106, 7, 8, 9 is there. So now you can understand the use of a goto statement in the program, and this can be used with any loop. This is the do loop. Similarly, you can translate it with the while loop, and you can translate it with the for loop, and in the same manner you can use goto statement, right? So goto is should be avoided because it's not very logical to use goto, and you will have variety of options which can give you alternative of using goto statement. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe and share my channel.